Hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Travis Brown, and I'm the CEO of Wally AI, and I'm going to show you how I leveraged AI, mainly different tools in the AI community right now to build this chatbot. All right, let's check it out. All right, this is Wally. This is his team right there. Now, what is Wally? Wally basically is a chat GPT for day traders, whether you're in the Forex, crypto, stock, or indices market. We provide sentiment, forecasting, and mentorship within the app. Now, the tech is really, really big. I leveraged some really, really cool software to be able to make Wally really smart. So, Autogen, I'll break each one down for you. These are the three main ones that I use. Autogen allows you to program bots to work together to execute a task, whatever task you give them. In my case, I'm using it for trading, so you'll see later on in these slides how we use it. Langchain is the toolbox for the AI bots, right? So if he needs access to web scraping, if he needs to be able to generate text or generate code, there's different tools within Langchain that will allow the bots to do that. Retrieval augmented generation is RAG. Basically, this is your go get that from me, guy. Go to TradingView, grab me give me the R side, grab me everything, and bring it back to Wally, RAG. Let's talk a little bit more about Autogen. All right. Autogen allows you to customize large language models with specific instructions and roles. So you get three types of bots. You get an optimization bot, you get a conversational bot, and you get an orchestration bot. I think of an orchestration bot as a manager, conversational as a CEO, optimization, HR. They have the ability to write code, web scraping, group chats, and they do all of this autonomously. Langchain. So tools. That's why I have this little tool widget here. Langchain is a toolkit that helps developers build applications using large language models like ChatGPT. You got dialogue management, external APIs, and custom workflows. Retrieval augmented generation, or RAG as they call it. Basically, as I said, it helps the bots get the information that they need. So let's look at how conversation with ChatGPT goes. So say you're the user and you ask a question to ChatGPT, goes here, and ChatGPT makes something up. The reason why this happens is because ChatGPT is only trained up until 2022. It doesn't have any recent data unless you give it to it, right? It wasn't trained on 2023 or 2024. So, but we could get around that with using RAG. So now when you ask a question, first, Langchain first grabs that question, uses the RAG to go to the web, find the correct answer, then it passes it to the model, and then the model passes it back to you with the correct answer. So no more hallucinations, no more making stuff up. Now let's go into the team. So this is how I have Wally's company set up. Wally's the CEO. He's the conversational agent. He's the one that you'll be talking to within the app. Vince is his COO manager. He's there to manage all the rest of the bots. And then we have a coding proxy agent here, which is Heather, which is kind of like HR. She's there to keep the other bots in line. Now, some of the tools I use for Wally are Whisper, NLP, Langchain, and Vision. Within the app, you'll be able to upload your charts, and he'll be able to know what you're looking at and maybe give you some technical analysis, maybe in the future even give you a signal, tell you where the support or resistance is, all types of things. And now here we have how Wally's company is set up. So there's three departments: mentorship, sentiment, and forecasting. When a user comes to Wally and goes inside the app, basically he's got three choices. And Wally is going to decipher and saying, what does this user want? Does he want sentiment, mentorship, or forecasting? If it's forecasting, he sends it to the forecasting department. If it's mentorship, he sends it to the mentorship department. And then under here, we have what's called a group chat. All right. That's a process in Autogen. It's complicated. Basically, all these bots talk to each other, and whatever task you give them, they talk about amongst themselves multiple times and come up with the best solution for it. So it's a powerful tool for. Now, here's an example of how the process works. So this is Joe. All right. Joe's a trader. He wants to know the sentiment of US 30. That message, that query, as it's called, goes out to the app. The app then sends that over to sentiment department. All right. Now these bots work. They scrape internet. We have a quant bot, fundamental bot, technical bot, so on and so forth. They all have different roles, and they all provide sentiment in their own way. And then it goes back up to the manager, then goes back out to Wally, and then to you. And this doesn't take any time. It takes literally 10, 15 seconds. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like, follow, and go to www.wally.ai to join the waitlist. Have a great day.